Back to JK Dentis. Today our topic is carbohydrates. Healthy diet include carbohydrate, protein, fat, minerals and other nutrients. Carbohydrate is considered as one of the major basic food group important to maintain healthy life. So let's see what are carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are basically organic compounds such as starch, sugar, cellulose and many more, which breaks and gives energy to the body. It also helps to maintain the health of brain and heart. So as the name says, carbohydrate, it is formed from carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen and oxygen is in the ratio of 2:1, that is same as water. So the formula for carbohydrate is CnH2nO. All the compounds having this formula are carbohydrates except two, lactic acid and acetic acid. They have the same formula but are not carbohydrates. While deoxyribose is a genuine carbohydrate but it do not satisfy this formula. Functional classification of carbohydrate divides carbohydrate into aldehydes and ketone. Both have double bond oxygen to the carbon, but ketone have carbon at the both ends of the double bond of oxygen. This double bond of oxygen is called as carbonyl group. Carbohydrates are further classified as monosaccharides. Mono means one, saccharide means sugar. Disaccharides, di means two. Oligosaccharides containing 3 to 10 carbon atoms. Polysaccharide containing more than 10 carbon atoms. Now we will see the first class, that is monosaccharide, in detail. Monosaccharides are soluble and polar. They cannot be further hydrolyzed. On the basis of number of carbon atoms, they are further divided as trioses containing 3 carbon atoms, tetroses 4 carbon atoms, pentoses containing 5 carbon atoms, hexoses containing 6 carbon atoms. Glucose falls under the category of hexoses and it is one of the most important monosaccharide carbohydrate. All these classes are further classified as aldehydes and ketones. Now we will see different examples of each class. Trioses as aldehyde groups include glyceraldehyde, ketone as dihydroxyacetone. Tetroses include erythrose and erythrulose. Pentoses include ribose, ribulose. Most important is the hexoses, which includes glucose and fructose. So this is the formula for glucose and fructose. At the carbon double bond, it has carbon atoms at both ends. Hence it falls under the keto group. Now we will see the second class. Disaccharides containing 2 sugar molecules. They are connected by glycosidase linkage. They are further classified as reducing and non-reducing. Reducing sugars are the sugars which act as a reducing agent because of the free aldehyde or keto group. Example of reducing sugar is lactose and maltose. Lactose have beta 1,4-glycosidase linkage, while maltose have alpha 1,4-glycosidase linkage. Lactose is also called as beta-D-galactosyl 1,4-BD glucose. Example of non-reducing sugar is sucrose. It contains alpha 1 and beta 1. Alpha 1 and beta 1 are used during bond formation, hence they are non-reducing sugars. Maltose is a fruit sugar formed by 2 glucose molecules. Lactose is milk sugar formed from glucose plus galactose. Sucrose is cane sugar formed by glucose plus fructose. Reducing sugars gives osazones. Osazones are crystals seen under microscope, which helps to identify the sugar. Sucrose gives no osazones. Maltose gives sunflower shaped osazones, or can say petal shaped osazones. Then comes oligosaccharide. Oligosaccharide contain 3 to 10 sugar molecules. Examples are rhamnose, stachys, raffinose. Then is polysaccharide containing more than 10 sugar atoms. They are divided into homopolysaccharides and heteropolysaccharides. Homopolysaccharides contain same sugar atoms, while hetero contain different. Example is starch and glycogen. Starch is present in plant, glycogen in animal. Other examples are cellulose, dextrine, dextran, chitin, inulin. Starch is present in a plant source, while glycogen is present in animal source. It is dense. Example of starch is amylose, amylopectin. Cellulose, it is important for reducing constipation and also absorption of cholesterol. Dextrine is a plasma expander and dextrine is partially dehydrated starch. Chitin is found in exoskeleton of insects and inulin is important for maintaining glomerular filtration rate. Heteropolysaccharides. They are forming from different sugar atoms. These are the examples of heteropolysaccharides: agar, agarose, hyaluronic acid, heparin, chondroitin sulfate, keratin sulfate and dermatan sulfate. From hyaluronic acid till dermatan sulfate, they are glycosaminoglycans, that is mucopolysaccharides. Muco means mucus. They are slippery and helps in shock absorption. Hyaluronic acid, it is present in the synovial fluid and acts as shock absorber, also in vitreous part of the eye. Heparin is an anticoagulant and chondroitin sulfate is present in bone, cartilage and tendons. Dermatan sulfate is important for maintaining blood vessels, walls as well as skin. Keratin sulfate is important for cornea of the eye. In short, I have explained you about the classification, introduction, different functions of carbohydrate. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you so much, and if you like my video, don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe to my channel JK Dent Ease.